So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of tasks right here, but they are not linked together. So what you can also do inside of Microsoft Project is make sure that the task is linked with the other task right here. Let's say, for example, over here in the production part, the brainstorming is related with storyboarding. So if I want to relate it, all I need to do is click and drag around the task right here, and you see a line. You can go around and link it out with task 4. And you can see that there's this task right here linked around with storyboard. Similarly, you can go around over here and choose which this task is related to as well. For example, you can see this is script writing. Let's just go around and select, let's say, for example, storyboarding, and you can see that it gets related out here just like this. Similarly, I'm just going to go around, relate out that task over here as well. And even if it is in another group right here, you can go around and relate out the task just like this. So over here, you have publishing, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and then relate it out over here. And you can see that it rearranges out over here onto the post-production part just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how everything gets related. And then if you were to go around and let's say, for example, make some changes, let's say, for example, if I were to make it like 6 days, and you can see that when the tasks are overlapping with each other right here, you can go around and do that. So besides that, if I were to go around and select auto scheduled for all of these, then depending on the number of days for the task, you can see that you can set it as auto schedule over here. You can set it as auto schedule for all of it. Then what happens is that if I were to go around and make some changes to the task, let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here and say 5 right here, then all of the timing changes out. Go around and keep 10 right here, and you can see that all of the entire dates changes out accordingly right here. So for this one, let's just press 3 right here. For this, let's just go around and say 10 right here. So depending on the number of days, all of the data, as you can see, gets updated over here. But for budgeting, since it is not related with any of the tasks right here, but you can see that I actually related the budgeting as well. So let me just go around and then remove this out right here. So let me just go around, remove it out so that it is unrelated out. So you can see that it is not a part of all of these tasks. But you can see all of these tasks are related with one another. And once that is done, you can go around and change out, let's say, days, and all of the tasks right here gets rescheduled and the dates are updated accordingly, according to the number of days kept here. So that is how you can link out tasks and utilize automatic schedule task option inside of Microsoft Project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.